So we decided to knock out our old wardrobe and replace it with an IKEA wardrobe. I thought this process was going to be easy, but it was not at all. So this was pretty much like the best that we can do. There's little dents and stuff in it because of having to move it so much. We then got the carpenter again to come back because he had to frame it. I then went and did the painting myself. Although we had a lot of issue putting it into an existing space, I do love how it has turned out. Like the ones before, you could literally just fit nothing into it. So I'm excited that we have a big wardrobe now.
Love IKEA. Well done by going to IKEA and saving money that way and not getting an expensive wardrobe popped into your house. If the job is too big for you, if your floors are uneven and your walls are uneven, it is time to call in the experts early, not later. It's a false economy thinking that you're saving money doing everything yourself if you've got to call in guys anyway to undo all the mess that you made along the way. So I love the way that you went to IKEA, Amelia, but perhaps you should have got somebody who knows how to install the wardrobe to do it for you this time.